Hello everyone and welcome back to No Man's Land. Join me over here getting rid of these massive pile of chicken eggs again. But today is corn day. The cornfield is ready to go. The sorghum is looking great. The potatoes are ready to go too. That's cool. Remove the foliage. Alright, so we got lots of harvesting to do. Lots and lots of harvesting. But we gotta get rid of the old combine, this and that. So we're gonna head out to the dealership and pick up a forager. And I need a combine corn header to go with the colossal. Because I'm going to do half and half. I'm going to chaff most of it, and then I'm going to not chaff some of it, so we have some corn. For some reason or not. Because I do actually want to try to get some pigs. I think pigs would be interesting. I never really did pigs on Farming Sim, so it would be a nice torn and change of place. Oop. Do also need to get the potatoes, soybean, forest, colossal harvester too. I would like to actually buy it, but that is quite an expense. It's not too bad. Come on, you can fit. Oh, it's hitting that peg. Ramming speed. There we go. Speed solves everything sometimes. We're gonna sell that. We're gonna sell you. Wow, I only got $2 for that. This little seeder is more refundable than the combine. What sense does that make? And we're gonna go and visit this lovely lady. I think I'm just gonna rent a forager. This is only 300. Can I use that to pick up grass? Like, for real, can I get a lawnmower for that? Oh, I can do 45 with it. It's the same price. It says I can do grass. Huh. But I want to get that, but I also want to buy the potato harvester. Actually, wait, where was that? Sugar beet? Yeah, there it is. I do have enough to buy both. But if I could find a grass header to attach to where would that be under? Corn headers, forage headers? Yeah, one of these? Like the mower part? Can I use that to mow grass with the forager? and put it right into the pit instead of having to do 3 extra steps. That's actually not a bad idea. Interesting. Yeah, why not? Let's just buy it. What's the worst that's gonna happen? I am gonna change my rim color though. I want that stuff to be like not that color. Can we have black, please? Thank you. Yeah, that'll work. Pipe standard. Long pipe. Let's do standard pipe. Movable spotlight. Whatever that does. Holy fat tire. Single modified. It puts a custom rim on it. That's funny. But we're just gonna go like it is. And I still have enough to buy the potato harvester. That's interesting. Quite interesting, actually. And since this truck's here, might as well use it. I'm not going to be able to get the, buy a corn harvester on there, am I? For the Colossus harvester, corn headers. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to get that on there. We're going to try, though. It's definitely going to be a super strength moment. Well, I definitely could put it sideways. Well, that's gonna be interesting driving. We'll lock it all down. Put up the ramps. And give it a go. Well, I did not plan for that to be perfect. Perfectly sized. Alright, here we are. I think I'm gonna leave the harvester. I don't have the truck running, but leave the harvester on there for now. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab the combine and go do a couple swipes with it from the cornfield. Yeah, if I was just silage chifing it, or chaffing it, or whatever you want to pronounce it, I definitely could have cut this like a few episodes ago, but I wanted to do this also. So I wanted to be able to do half and half. And you are having problems. Because I didn't move the ramps out. There we go. It fold puts like 2 more wings. That's it. And I'm actually going to start on the far side because I have a feeling that silage trailer is going to go through the roof with capacity really fast, so shorter distance to travel to empty it. Alright, let's try out the unrealistic header. Yeah, yeah. This is awesome. That's cool. Let's try that in first person. That's not gonna get old. That's gonna be so fun. Oh, I missed a swipe here. That's hilarious. Maybe one or two. Maybe a full combine. Yeah, a full combine in its current state. Yes, I can upgrade it to it on realistic, but... And we're gonna do this way. Just in case, yeah, it's gonna get full. And I'm gonna run over stuff. I didn't want to do that. No, don't fold. Why? That just looks silly now. Gotta love mods. Cool, cool. I love the empty speed. Sometimes it's just really, really slow. Fold this up, turn it off. Time to go play with the harvester. Then you get the silage trailer out, though. Oh, convenient I left the truck running so I can get the ramps wider, I guess. This is gonna be so much fun. I should start putting custom license plates on things. That'd be kind of nice. If I can get this out in one piece. But one little tiny little tidbit. I literally didn't notice it. But this, well, in a water tank. Look at the name. Lizard TARDIS. I don't know if any of you are Doctor Who fans. Everything unrealistic has the word TARDIS. Is bigger on the inside. You know, like the trademark comments that it always makes. I really just noticed that and put that together like a day ago. Unfold. Ooh, wow, you actually get like a suspension lift there. This is going to be a lot of silage. Engage. Turn on. Oh. Forgot you gotta put the pipe up. Can I turn that off? Oh well, if it's running, it's running. Even though it shouldn't be. Are we going? We're going? We're going. That's actually kind of trippy. Yeah, that was actually kind of trippy. Yeah, we may need to invest in a trailer. Maybe. Oop, getting off course for the thumbnail. Typical. Now, can I make a thing, a course? Yeah, it's not gonna empty the trailer. Yeah, it's not gonna empty the trailer, so we're not gonna do that. We'll do it ourselves. Alright, let's kick her into a time lapse, I guess. Well, that went relatively fast. Note to self, we need like the dump trucks box capacity on a trailer. Like 850,000 liters or something like that. Yeah, that would have saved me a few trips. But we like 95% filled the silage maker, which I really should invest in upgrading that, just so it's upgraded and it can hold more. There's a little stripe here, and we are done. Full harvest load of corn and lots of chaff. We got the final number. We gotta add another like 200k to it because of the load I put into the silage maker. But we'll see what total we have. So we need a small high-capacity trailer, and I need to refill this with silage. 819,847 liters of chaff. We are good on chaff for a very, very long time. Well, I say that, and then like 2 episodes, I need to get chaff again. That's usually how it works. Another thing to be cleaned. Very good piece of equipment, though. Very good piece of equipment. Ah, conveniently. Need this. I'm gonna go put the front weight on it. And we'll do that. Target position. There. There. Open. Generate. Close. And start. You can do it, Pathfind. I have faith. Go, go, go. I didn't realize how much, like, dips it is right here. Is she gonna find the field? Cool. We'll check in on you later. And holy macro, I need to turn this on. Definitely need to turn that on. And we'll activate the gold. Need some stones. Mineral feed. And liquid fertilizer. Of course. We just need solid fertilizer. Tomatoes. Out of space. At the hydroponics. Okay. Put that to distribute. Materials missing. Manure. Manure. No water. Okay. John Deere. John Deere. Not gonna be the best. Maybe he'll actually hand it out. I gotta take them over to the tomato plant first. Is it over here still? Yes. Good enough for now. Yeah, I really need to get that liquid fertilizer up and running. Let's go visit the other cow shed. Which I probably could get some slurry and go shove it in over there. How much manure do you have for me here? Quite a lot, actually. Wow, almost over a full bucket full. That's cool. How much slurry do you have? 23,000. Yeah. Definitely can fill the fertilizer plant. So we can get the liquid fertilizer up and moving. Need a cow trailer to transfer all the cows over. That up. That's good. Done. Full tank. How much you got left? 0. Good enough. Oop, I didn't mean to jackknife myself in here. Wish there's a way we could turn off the loading markers, but keep the interactive zone markers. That'd be nice. Invisible wall. That's cool. So this should have a good amount to activate. Not much, but enough. I know pigs produce an insane amount of slurry. The cows have so much more benefits. Coo. Put this over here back by the fence. And that is good for now. But that's going to be it for this episode. We got the corn harvested. It's getting plowed right now for the next seeding. And we got some new toys on the farm. But until next time, well, I think I'm gonna transfer the cows, get rid of the cow farm. The first cow farm. And we're gonna harvest some potatoes. That's gonna be next episode. So, until then, later.